Okay, here we are at the Great Bird Chase. Gentlemen, I'm over here. Gentlemen, hi. All right, what are you gonna do?
Chase the bird.
All right, Gavin, what are you gonna do?
Chase the bird.
Chase the birds? All right. Give me just a second, and then watch my hand, and I'll say go. There are the poor, defenseless birds, and their challengers are right here. On your mark, get set, go! Looks like they're crashing a little bit into each other. Well, they knew to stop. That's good. They missed some lingerers. All right, tell me how it went. How'd it go?
Good.
It went good?
Now we want to go play.
All right. Gavin, how did it go?
Good.
All right. What are you guys going to do now?
Go play the park.
Sweet. All right, good job with the birds today. Well done. You guys win.